Tonight on RC Walks, we took a short drive, a short hike, we watched some snowmobiles go by, a little nice cinematic drive with some commentary snow crawling on the snow mountain again. We also talk a little bit about skid plates and how to use them and why not to use them. Thanks and enjoy. Alright, tonight we're in the Silverado. We're taking heavy metal with us here, and Haley's not with us. It's a working weekend, so we're just going to do some cinematic shots. I'm going to practice them. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Okay, so we found a spot. We're back to the mountain spot where I fell before.
Oh no!
And they added to the mountains. They're bigger than ever. Okay, let's get to it before it gets too dark. All right, guys. We actually found the same path we found before. This is all new here. This is where we'll be going. Up, down, in there. If you've seen the video before, it was pretty radical. Check it out. Alright, so this is the trail you guys just went on. Now, I want to get a couple. Oh, I already forgot, gotta go wide here. What am I doing? Follow my own tracks. I have my own tracks to follow. This should be much quicker. Nice. Very good, very good. Nice. I'm gonna go high here because I know there's not a lot of traction up in this. I'm gonna get my feet different. We lost a little momentum, but you can see what I'm trying to stand on here. All right, here we go. Come on, heavy metal. All right, get it. We're gonna power through there. I know it's fresh powder up in there, so the first time through we had to really get it. All right, here we go. We want to go wide here because we learned once we get in there, our nose is just all sorts of beat up and stuck. I wonder if we broke anything on that slam down the hill here. I don't know. Oh, all right. I'm gonna go wide. And you guys can see, I'm actually gonna get up here this time. How much of a drop this is if we mess up. All right. Okay. There we go. Only good things are happening. Now, I did have the camera hooked to the side of the truck last time we went down this with you guys. Oh, I can see the difference already, how much weight that helped. Oh, flipped it. Yeah, the camera on the back before with you guys hanging on the back really helped it. I will not lie. Holy smokes, that was nice. Oh, all right. You're gonna have some rollovers. It's gonna happen. Oh. All right. Oh. Now this is what I keep ending up in this hole down here every time we come through with this truck. So I'm gonna try something different and go left. Oh, that was a hard slam. Oh, we got out of it though. Oh, we got out of it. I hope that was on camera. I was hoping, I don't know. Jesus, we just slammed right here into there. Came down a little sideways better. You can see where our track came down before. Our nose ended up in it. We ended up having to really go hard on it. But now, that's the end of the trail no matter where we end up. But that's the mountain. Oh, heck yeah. All right, I'm gonna go look for a couple more spots if we can. If it sounds like I'm breathing heavy, that's because I'm breathing heavy. Okay, for anyone that doubts when I'm like, this snow is past my knees. See that pocket? That pocket's above my knee. That's my knee right there. Watch the snow. Oh. It's a little deep. Okay, there's stuff here. This is definitely like an old building. I'm gonna try not to twist the ankle. If I do, and you find this recording, tell everyone I said I love trucking. All right. Oh, I hear some sleds coming. Here comes some sleds. Look at them. Hell yeah. Every year me and Haley are like, we need to get a snowmobile, but one year, I don't know, maybe. All right. On the point of skid plates. So this is what a skid plate set looks like. And we flip the truck over here. And I installed these. They got this pack from Injora. They all fit. I installed it there. But then you're gaining weight down low, which could be good performance-wise, but you're also losing clearance. And I think that the plastic is more slippery more slip, like less grab on it than the metal. I don't know, you guys let me know. Well, maybe not, because if a sharp rock gets into the plastic, it might grip more, but you have these hard open grooves where it's gonna grab into it. It's debatable. You never really know. It's kind of like, you know, but the weight down low would be the one thing. Putting that belly on just for the weight down low. I mean, it's just a little bit, but every little bit counts. That might be something. We're probably gonna put this on heavy metal because that's why it's named heavy metal. And we're really maxing the weight that we can get away with on that car. But something I want to talk about is on this one here. So these would be the diff covers. I had to bend this out. You can see how this one's not, and they're both the same on the TRX4 in the front and back. So they come with two of them. This wasn't wide enough, so it was cutting the inside. And this is brand new. I literally just bought this. We haven't even ran this. We just got it in the mail today. And so it was cutting right there, and it was cutting down here. And then when it goes in by these two screws here, which hold the diff cover on. Now the diff cover plastic goes inside the plastic of the red, goes inside the black. So when you're screwing these in, it's got to make up for the width difference here, but they don't send you screws that are slightly longer. So what ended up happening is I stripped out this screw hole a little bit. I just put some Loctite in there and decided, well, we're not going to run the metal diff cover anyway, and if we do, I'll take it off one last time and put Loctite on it again. But the thing is, you kind of need to be able to get these off so you can check the grease and stuff, so it's kind of not a reliable way to do it. And if you're a guy like me and you do want to be reliably taking off your diff covers, every time you do that with one of these on, like I said, if you don't have a long enough screw, it's going to increase the chance of stripping them out. So, and I did it pretty carefully, but not ultimately carefully, and the plastic just wasn't hard enough. Now I'm thinking a red diff cover is like $7 or something from Traxxas, so, and then pay for shipping. It's usually not too much. They're parts for the truck if something breaks like that. Individual small parts are like, oh, okay, well, sucks, but you know, half-hour work. I just wanted to show off the lights a bit. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. Here's the truck. I hope we catch you on the next one. And hopefully there'll be some comps or with some groups or something. If you guys are in the local area, just in Minnesota in general, we like to travel, you never know. Hit us up. Let's grow the community, let's grow the hobby. All right, see you next time. Happy trucking.